I'm Molly Scott for Inside Scoop. Director Philip Noyce and Harrison Ford team up for the first time ever in Paramount Pictures' Patriot Games. More after this.
Get down!
A story of outrage.
Couldn't just stand there and watch him shoot those people.
And vengeance.
Mr. Kid knows what I did wrong.
Passion.
I'm after the man who tried to kill my family.
Where's Sean Miller?
And suspense.
He's never gonna leave us alone.
Paramount Pictures presents the motion picture event of the summer. Harrison Ford, Patriot Games, rated R. The games begin June 5th.
Patriot Games was a story that intrigued Noyce, and he was excited about getting to work with Harrison Ford.
Harrison is a marvelous collaborator because he has such contact with the audience. You want to reach out, you want to engage that audience. Harrison has proved that he can do that.
Don't miss Paramount Pictures' action thriller, Patriot Games.